Hello, I will demonstrate eText application, which is a reporting tool for needs of our clients, which is very specific reporting stuff that our clients needs to do to our tax administration. So once a user has the credentials, they will be able to log in on the eText. If this is the first time they are using application, they will go to Connect and QuickBooks Online. Start authentication authorization process. And then they will import data from QuickBooks Online to eText application. Once this import is done, we can run reports, which are, as I said before, very specific for our tax administration requirements. So let's try the sales report. Yes, here we have a record. You can delete data on eText application. You have to go to Administration menu and delete transaction from eText. So data deletion was successful. I will try once again to run this report. As you can see, there is no records on the sales report. We can import data from QuickBooks again. Okay, and now then I will run the report again, just to be sure. Data were imported from QuickBooks Online. Yeah, here it is. So this is more or less the eText application, and here you can export data on some format like PDF, Excel, CSV, etc. And once the work is done, users can log out from the application. Thanks.